Alright, quick update on Smooth Love Potion. So, in our last previous videos, we've been outlining how, as soon as we do break below 210, we would be flipping bearish for this coin. We called this round about here when we did break below the 618 of this micro move from the low to the high. And, ever since then, we have been dropping very sharply. So, from the breakdown of 210, because, we said 215 to 210, but let's be fair and say 210 because that was our lowest level that we said we'd like to hold. We have so far dropped 22%. And, in total, we did predict a 58% drop. So all in all, we are only a third of the way down to my prediction. So far so good though. We've come down over 20%, so just over a third of the prediction. We've done pretty well. So if we do kind of look at why we are breaking down, I mean, you can see that we did have this failed bull flag that just kind of kept rolling down, broke below the 618, and also, in our past few videos we've been outlining the double top in the RSI and why we feel like we're going to fall down here. We outlined the significance and the similarities of these two double tops on the RSI peak. We even said it would be kind of likely to do something like this, where we do have a dead cat bounce before going up, and you can see that we did have a dead cat bounce, a very small one though. We did predict a slightly bigger dead cat bounce than that, but you can also see that we ran into the 618, so the RSI really didn't even give us time to go up because of this 618. So yeah, I mean, all in all, I am bearish in the short term. If we look at the money flow indicator, every time we kind of peak out, we've outlined this in the past few videos, we come down to at least 23, and currently we're on 35. So in my opinion, we still do have our ways to go. Really not too much to say for this coin. I mean, if we do zoom out, we are in a huge macro downtrend, very big. I think it's well over 90% of a drop by now. Let's just find it out to make sure I am right on that. But from the all-time high, yeah, we are down 95%. So I have said this, I did kind of see this coming. I outlined why, because of the double top and the RSI. Big volume is stepping in, so I mean, I believe that a lot of volatility is going to be stepping in. We did have a big buying day yesterday, and we do have a big selling day yesterday. Obviously, with what's going on in the world right now, everything is very unpredictable. So we don't know if peace is going to be announced tomorrow. We don't know if World War III is going to be announced tomorrow. So it is very hard to predict these events. I mean, we had a Black Thursday event today. I don't think many people really saw this coming, or saw it coming to the extreme that it was at, but yeah, I mean, news is not looking good. The gold is going up, the dollar is going up, so all in all, people are terrified right now of entering quote-unquote risk assets. People are going to quote-unquote safe assets like the dollar, where I mean, you lose all your money if you're holding it for like 20 or 30 years, but if you hold it for like a couple of days, you'll be fine. So yeah, I mean, this is why people are really exiting the markets. I mean, not really much else to say. Don't really need to make this video too long. We are still below 200-day moving average. We've double topped on the RSI and the money flow indicator, and in my opinion, we are just setting up for a bearish retest, and probably coming down to this low down here at 89. If we did bounce off the 89 and have a strong pump, we can start talking about, is this going to be the bottom? Is this going to be micro bullish? If we do lose this bottom down here, then we're probably going down to somewhere near zero. So that is all I see for SLP today. Once again, none of this is financial advice. Yeah, none of this is financial advice. You've always got to do what's best for you. And yeah, stay safe. Peace.